Here at Core, we strive to make camping more comfortable and less complicated. That's why we designed our 9-person instant cabin tent. To set up the tent, remove the contents from the carry bag and lay the tent flat on the ground. You will notice that all of the poles you need are already attached to the tent and connected by 3 hubs across the ceiling. Starting at one end, lift upward on the V-shaped ridge pole until the elbow joints flex. While one person stabilizes that end, work your way around the tent, flexing all of the elbow joints until all of the leg poles are standing. Extend the telescoping poles until you hear the locking buttons engage. Repeat this until all 6 leg poles are fully standing. Setup's complete. Now stabilize your tent by pushing the stakes through each ground loop at a 45-degree angle. For rain protection, drape the water-resistant rain fly over your tent and clip it to the leg poles in between the locking button and the pole connector. Now, guy out the tent and tighten the slack adjusters. Toggle in the room divider if you're using it. Now you can bring your gear in through the large front D-door or use the T-door on the side. With this time-saving setup, you'll have time to step back, relax, and outdoor more.
When you get the chance to get outdoors, make the most of it. Camp in confidence and comfort in a Kodiak Canvas Flexbow tent. Wherever you make camp, from the hot deserts to the frigid mountains, be it summer or winter, you can depend on a Kodiak Canvas tent to stand up to the elements. Setting up the Flexbow tent is quick and easy and can be done by just one person. The Flexbow tent has a sturdy frame made with 1-inch steel tubing and solid spring rods made with high tensile spring steel. All Kodiak Canvas tents use top-of-the-line materials and components. Our Flexbow tents are made with premium-grade HydraShield 100% cotton duck canvas. The tight weave and silicone finish make the canvas watertight yet breathable, minimizing condensation and mugginess. Unlike canvas tents of years past, our canvas will not wick water. Watertight and breathable means you stay more comfortable. This rugged tent will also hold up to strong winds and even snow loads. Seams are double-stitched and corners are reinforced for added strength. The high-quality zippers will withstand demanding use, and the floor is a heavy-duty, puncture-resistant 16-ounce vinyl that keeps water out. The solid steel 12-inch stakes are ideal for hard or even rocky ground. Not only are these tents well made, they're loaded with lots of great features. Large D-shaped doors front and back offer easy access, while the high ceilings and steep sidewalls provide stand-up, walk-around comfort. Large windows zip open or shut from the inside and allow one to really open the tent up. Funnel flow vents improve airflow and ventilation, helping with temperature management. Zip them open or shut. The gear loft makes a handy place to store items off the floor. It can be used in attic or sling mode, while pocket organizers are useful to store small items. A large awning not only provides shade, when it's stormy it provides a covered entry and also allows you to open the front windows without the worry of rain getting in. When it's time to go, nothing beats the strap and cinch storage bag. Just roll the tent up, then fold the bag around the tent and cinch it closed. The importance of a good shelter is often overlooked. It is one of the most crucial items of gear to ensure an enjoyable outing. If you're serious about the outdoors, isn't it time you had a serious tent?
Here at Core, we make camping more comfortable and less complicated. That's why we designed our super spacious, easy to set up 12-person cabin tent. To set up camp, remove the contents from the carry bag and lay the tent flat on the ground. You will notice that the poles of the tent are already attached and connected by 3 hubs across the ceiling. The poles that are not pre-attached will be used for the awning on the rainfly. Starting at one end, lift upward on the V-shaped ridge poles until the elbow joints flex into a standing position. While one person stabilizes that end, work your way around the tent, lifting all of the leg poles until the 3 hubs are elevated. Extend the telescoping poles until you hear the locking button engage. Repeat until all 8 leg poles are fully standing. Setup's complete. Stabilize your tent by pushing the stakes through each ground loop at a 45-degree angle. For rain protection, drape the water-resistant rainfly over your tent and clip to the leg poles. Now assemble the awning poles and slide through the sleeves above the front and back doors. If you're not using the rainfly, unclip the guy lines from the fly and attach them to the tent body and guy them out. Now you can install the gear loft and unpack. Create up to 3 separate spaces by toggling in the provided room dividers. This simple, time-saving setup gives you more time to step back, relax, and outdoor more.
Sullivan here from Crua Outdoors. Just want to introduce you to the brand new Crua Tri, redeveloped based upon feedback from you, the Crua community. Here I am inside the Crua Tri, and here you can see what makes a Crua tent different. First of all, the outer tent. This is a TPU laminated polycotton, which means it's breathable and waterproof. This is where the insulating starts, and inside you have the Crua Magic. So this is the quilted inner wall of a Crua tent, which means that keeps you thermally and acoustically insulated, which means you're warmer during the cold in the tent. As you know, we love to redevelop based upon user or community feedback. And a lot of our users had said they'd like to have a footprint in this porch area. That makes it handy for storage of your bags, your backpacks, your chairs, your equipment, whatever the case may be. And also that you don't have to step out of the inner tent and onto the ground because it's now covered. Another really valuable piece of customer feedback that we got was that users would really love a covered area that they can stand up in. So we've added this. As you can see, I'm 6'1", I have a lot of clearance in here, and this outdoor area is perfect if you want to just hang out, if you need a sunshade, if you need a cover when it's raining, if you want to just barbecue out here, whatever the case may be, this outdoor living area is perfect. The Crua Tri retains all of its great features, such as luminous skylines, lightweight aluminium poles, which are color-coded, as you can see back here. Each pole is color-coded, has its open and closable vents, really large windows, so let's light in. There's curtains on the inside as well, so you can open them and close them as you wish. So really, really premium features. The Crua Tri tent stakes are designed so that they won't turn or twist, especially in windy conditions. That keeps you safe and secure all of the time. Here we are in the inner tent of the Crua Tri, the cocoon. And as you can see, here is the door and the separate bug mesh, so you can open the door and let the bug mesh closed to keep out all the unwanted visitors. Same on the window, the bug mesh and the insulated curtain are separate, so you can leave one closed, one open. Here we have pockets for your valuables. We have the inner vent, which you zip open or closed and matches the vent on the outside as required. We even have a hook here to hang your light or your tablet or whatever you wish. So you can see why the Crua Tri has become such a popular tent. Its insulation makes it absolutely unique, and we've added all these features thanks to our community's feedback. And that makes it even more user-friendly. Make sure to order yours today.